In this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make a corner curve window. Okay, first of all, we have to make the basic plane. We can draw the any size, maybe it's around 3.8 and 3.9 meter. And then we have to push it up, maybe around 300 millimeter or 30 centimeter and make group. Okay, then okay, so we can make the corner, make the corner and curve window. First of all, we have to make the line until this position and draw this position, and then we can draw the line again right there, or maybe we can add some element with which is this is a tape measure tool. Then we can click and drag to the here. It's around 1 meter, and then click and drag to this position around 1 meter. Okay, done. And then we can select the 2 point arc. I'm sorry, we can select the 2 point arc. Then we can click this one and click this one and triple click. Okay, and it gonna be the curve corner. And then we can click this, triple click this line. Then we can offset with using the offset tool. We can click offset and offset it inside around 150 millimeter. Okay, so then we can close the line, and then we can close the line also. Okay, then we have to click this plane, and then we have to push it up, maybe around 300 millimeter, and we can triple click, right click and make group. Then we can select a move and press control and then place on this position. Then we can um, move and place on this any position, maybe around 2.4 meter. Okay, it's just for example. And then we can make the frame right there. We can make the frame with using a rotated rectangle. Then place on this position and drag to the another side around 60 millimeter, and click this plane and push it up, push it up until this position, and triple click, right click and I'm sorry, triple click, right click and make group. And we can select a move, control, place on this position and rotate it, and then type 90 degree, and then we can move and place on this position. Okay, this one. And okay, we now can duplicate this one. We can click this plane, and we can click this plane until this plane, and also we can click this plane until this plane. Okay, then we can click, and then we can select edit copy or control C, and then we can exit from the group, and then we can select edit and paste in place. Okay, so we can make it thickness around 60 millimeter. Triple click, right click and make group, and then we can select move, control, and place on this position. So this is about the frame of the corner curve window. And we can also we can erase it first. So we can click, right click and my component and just create. Then we can select this bottom frame, click and select a move, press control, and then click this one and then place on this position, and then we can type 3 slash and enter. Okay, so we can get the automatically arrangement about the vertical arrangement of the frame of the window. Then we can triple click. Okay, we can triple click and offset this outline of the curve. Then we can offset it inside approximately about 40 millimeter, or maybe it's just a little bit inside, around 20 millimeter. Okay, and then we can click this outline and offset it inside around 10 millimeter. Then we can click this plane, so we can get this curve plane. Then we can edit copy, and then exit from the group, and then we can select edit and paste in place, and then we can push it up and push it up until this position, and then triple click, right click and make group, and then we can triple click and move the bottom plane until this position. Okay, and it's done. We can adjust the material right now. We can use glass mirror. We can adjust for the material as we want with using the another material maybe. Then we can use the wood for the frame over there. We can assign for wood material frame this one, and also we can complete for the another area with the wall. We can complete with wall till this position, make group, and also this one can place on this position. Then we can triple click and make group, and we can push it until the limit of the wall as we want. And then we can push it until the desired distance of the wall. And also we can make the another material for this wall to make it better. And okay, I mean it's done. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you about making curved window, and you can type in the comment about the question. And thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Have a good day.